In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the contract address of any meme coin. To get started, open your Phantom wallet. Make sure that you are logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all the necessary features. Once you're at your homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Here, you can view your balance and tokens, and you'll notice options like Receive, Send, Swap, and Buy, which are central to managing your cryptocurrency. Next, we need to navigate to DEX Screener. This tool will help us find the contract address of the meme coin you're interested in. To locate it, start by clicking on the search icon within the Phantom interface. In the search bar, you can type DEX Screener, but if you prefer, you can also scroll down through the list until you find it. Once located, go ahead and click on DEX Screener to open it up. Now that you're on the DEX Screener website, it's time to choose the specific meme coin for which you want to get the contract address. Browse through the options or use the search functionality to find the coin. Once you've identified the meme coin, click on it to bring up more details. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the contract address displayed prominently. The contract address is located right below the name of the meme coin, making it easy to verify you have the correct one. Simply click on it to copy the contract address. With the contract address copied, it's time to return to your Phantom wallet. Once you're back on Phantom, you're going to click on the Swap option. This is where that contract address will be particularly useful. In the Swap interface, locate the arrow next to You Receive. Click on this arrow, as you'll need to access the search bar at this point. Once in the search bar, paste the contract address you just copied from DEX Screener. This will help you identify and display the specific meme coin you're looking to interact with. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only learned how to copy the contract address of any meme coin, but also how to use it within your Phantom wallet to view and manage your chosen coin. Exploring these functionalities can open up new opportunities in the world of cryptocurrency, especially if you're eager to explore new and emerging meme coins. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and soon you'll be navigating these tools with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.